In the last video, you've seen me and my brother pretty much take all the wiring, the engine, the drive line, fuel lines, everything out of that, and we put it into my other RT132. Now there is a difference between the two. Apparently in 1980 they had a face look change, and so instead of a boxy look, which is this one, the other one is more of the old school, which does mean at the front I've lost about 70 mil between here. So that means I had to take out the old intercooler. We had to go buy a new one that would fit. It will hang now underneath and then the pipes will run through. But it doesn't look too bad. The other thing we didn't do, which I've done and I lost the footage for, was I got the brake booster serviced. And it pretty much looks brand new. Did that at Hydro Boost in Echuca, which is in Victoria. They took it for a couple of weeks, sent it back to me. It looks amazing. Hopefully it works just as good as it looks. Engineering, last time we had the pins in the bonnet. On this one we had the pins in the bonnet. Now with this one I still need the 2-stage, so we took the opportunity to keep pretty much the bar going across, except for we still had to modify it. Obviously this is all just spot welds, but yeah, now because we're keeping this, we don't have to modify the bonnet, and we've got the 2-stage, so the engineer's happy, and it is a cleaner look. Besides that, what I'm going to do in this footage, I've got to do the front brakes, front arms. So the Techno Toy tuning arms I couldn't use. I couldn't get the documents that the engineer needs. I was lucky enough though with this one, I had all the original arms and the engineer's happy to use them. So in this footage I'll clean those up, put new bushings and put them back on. What else will I do? I will probably start cleaning up on the inside. I got to put all the panels back on the doors. I'm also going to put sound deadening on all the doors. I've also got to put the central locking to all the doors. That all came from this one, so now I got to put it all into this one, so I got to do that now, and then I'll probably hopefully get to putting the carpet in and the back seat. I won't do the front seat yet because I have a crap load of wiring to do, because I want to use, so that's what I had, and this is what comes with this one, and it's such a nice look. I can actually use those gauges all on the side up there. So unfortunately all the wiring is completely different. The plugs are definitely not the same, so I have to rewire all those. So I won't put the front seats in yet. It's just going to take me ages. I'm going overseas soon, so I'll try and get what I can done, put a video out, which will be this one, and then when I come back, get stuck into the wiring, finish the front dash, and then start looking at getting the wheels. So these are way too big. I already talked to the people up the road. They have some steel wheels they're going to get, which will be perfect. And that does mean actually I don't need to modify the fenders, and these fenders are actually in really good condition, so I'm happy with that. Get to it.